Bethel's quite a large village, and there's quite a few children here. This year especially is going to be quite a big year. At the moment there's 14 children from 2.5 to 3 years old. By the end of the year there'll be 24 children here. The grant from Hanfod Cymru has done quite a significant change to the Cylch Meithrin. We have been fortunate. Previously, the Cylch Meithrin committee have raised quite a bit of money to develop the outdoor area, but the grant from Hanfod Cymru, with the money we've received, we've managed to buy three benches, storage benches for the outdoor area, which is just nice really for the children to enjoy being outside. They sit down on the benches and they just lend themselves naturally to having a story area, and the fact that they're storage benches as well just helps to enable us to set out the activities for the children in the morning without having to drag everything from inside, and we'll also be able to lock them up as well. We've also purchased 4 raised beds, and we're hoping to plant a few vegetables and herbs with the children, and do some extension activities on that in the future, with maybe doing some soup or some lobscouse with the children to taste what they've grown.